We live in a time of social media, which are made to connect us with each other. To make a connection with other people is easier than ever before. Then why do we still feel lonely? Loneliness is not an indicator of lack of social interactions with other people. The feeling of loneliness is an indicator of our disconnection from ourselves, from our inner being. You can be in a room full of your friends and still feel lonely. And yet you can be alone and don't feel lonely at all. How is that possible? You see, when you are connected to your inner being, to your energy source, you feel good, positive feelings like love, freedom, happiness, and joy. Loneliness is just not one of them. When you feel love, there is no room for loneliness. I used to feel lonely too. But now, I don't even remember how loneliness feels like. And all I did was, I found a connection to my inner self again. When I feel bad, I know it's because I'm not connected to my energy source. And I also know that I have the power to change that. So I decide right then and there that I will find a better feeling. And that decision alone gives me the hope and the feeling of power. And when you feel positive feeling like hope, your connection with your energy source is stronger, and any bad feeling like loneliness is gone. Even a simple decision makes you feel better. And when you feel better, you move away from feeling lonely. I am Sabinasusnik, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and join me on a journey to our inner selves. Live life by inspiration and enjoy every bit of it. Ciao.